In this video, friends, I will show with you step by step how to cancel complete saving subscription or membership. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google, search for cancel complete saving membership, and then guys click all you have to do, guys, you see this option membership term, and scroll down, guys, you see this two option here. You can contact online or with this contact us option. From here you can call this number and you have chat option to contact him to cancel your membership. All you have to do, you can download this form, cancellation form. This is some form to cancellation form. If you want to cancel membership online, you have two option, online and via calling. Complete this form membership details, write your first name here, last name, and add your address and postcode, and write your membership number and your data to purchase your membership. And then you will give this upload this on email. This email, guys, uploaded this form cancellation. You can edit easily, guys, and you can upload via email, your email, unique email. So guys, all you have to do, edit this form and then upload on this email. For the subject, write cancel membership, guys, as you can see here, membership. So guys, this is simple steps. I hope this video guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like, just complete this form to cancellation process. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video.